How to earn money online, proven ideas and strategies for success. In today's digital age, earning money online has become more accessible than ever. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time income, or a way to monetize your skills, there are countless opportunities available. However, success requires more than just signing up for a platform. It demands a clear strategy, consistency, and dedication. Here are some proven ways to earn money online, along with actionable strategies to help you get started and thrive. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Toptal connect freelancers with clients looking for services such as writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Strategy. Identify your skills, determine what you're good at: writing, designing, coding, marketing, etc. Create a portfolio, showcase your best work to attract clients. Start small, bid on smaller projects to build your reputation and reviews. Increase rates gradually. As you gain experience and positive feedback, raise your prices. Network. Join freelancing communities on LinkedIn or Facebook to find more opportunities. 2. Content creation. YouTube, blogging, podcasting. Content creation is a long-term but highly rewarding way to earn money. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Strategy. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic you're passionate about, such as tech, fitness, or personal finance. Consistency is key. Post regularly to build an audience. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and create content based on their feedback. Monetize. Enable ads, partner with brands for sponsorships, and use affiliate links to earn commissions. Diversify income streams. Sell eBooks, courses, or merchandise related to your niche. 3. Online tutoring or teaching. If you're knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can teach or tutor students online. Platforms like Webkid, Chegg Tutors, and Udemy make it easy to get started. Strategy. Choose your subject. Focus on a subject you're proficient in, such as math, science, or language. Get certified. Some platforms require certifications, so consider getting one if needed. Create engaging content. Use visuals, quizzes, and interactive tools to make learning fun. Market yourself. Promote your services on social media or through word of mouth. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Strategy. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific industry, such as tech gadgets, fitness gear, or beauty products. Build a platform. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account to promote products. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, Shreyas Saleh, or ClickBank. Create honest reviews. Share your genuine experiences with the products to build trust with your audience. Track performance. Use analytics to see which products perform best and optimize your strategy. 5. Selling digital products. Digital products like eBooks, courses, templates, and printables are a great way to earn passive income. Strategy. Identify a need. Research what your target audience is looking for. Create high-quality products. Invest time in creating valuable and professional-looking products. Sell on platforms. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website to sell your products. Promote. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO to drive traffic to your products. 6. Dropshipping or e-commerce. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. Strategy. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific product category, such as eco-friendly products or pet supplies. Set up a store. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your online store. Find reliable suppliers. Use platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo to find suppliers. Market your store. Use Facebook ads, Google ads, and influencer marketing to attract customers. Optimize for conversions. Test different product descriptions, images, and pricing to maximize sales. 7. Remote work or virtual assistants. Many companies hire remote workers or virtual assistants to handle tasks like customer service, data entry, or social media management. Strategy. Identify your skills, determine what tasks you can handle, such as scheduling, email management, or content creation. Create a resume, highlight your skills and experience. Apply on platforms. Use platforms like remote.co, We Work Remotely, or Zirtual to find jobs. Build relationships. Provide excellent service to secure long-term clients or referrals. 8. Investing in stocks, cryptocurrency, or real estate. Investing can be a lucrative way to grow your wealth over time. Strategy. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of investing through books, courses, or online resources. Start small. Begin with a small amount of money to minimize risk. Diversify. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. Monitor trends. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. 9. Online surveys and micro-tasks. While not a primary income source, platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk allow you to earn money by completing surveys or small tasks. Strategy. Sign up for multiple platforms, increase your earning potential by joining several platforms. Complete tasks efficiently, focus on high-paying tasks to maximize your earnings. Redeem rewards, cash out your earnings regularly. 10. Create an app or software. If you have coding skills, creating an app or software can be a highly profitable venture. Strategy. Identify a problem, create a solution for a common problem or need. Develop the app, use your coding skills or hire a developer to build the app. Monetize, charge for downloads, offer in-app purchases, or use ads to generate revenue. Promote, use social media, app store optimization, ASO, and influencer marketing to attract users. Final tips for success: be consistent. Building an online income stream takes time and effort. Stay consistent and patient. Learn continuously, stay updated on industry trends and improve your skills. Track your progress, monitor your earnings and adjust your strategy as needed. Avoid scams, be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes and only invest time and money in legitimate opportunities. Earning money online is not just a dream, it's a realistic goal if you're willing to put in the work. By choosing the right opportunity and following a solid strategy, you can turn your online efforts into a sustainable income stream. Start today and take the first step toward financial freedom.